Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got this USB type C to 3.5mm jack from AliExpress. As usual, I have put the link description below, you can find it out there. And it's time to open this. Let's go. And I can see a little packet there, and this is the item. You can see on one side it's having a USB type C and the other side is 3.5mm jack. Let's have a test for this. I feel that it has a good sound quality there. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and let's see in another video like this. Thank you very much.